Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Drone+GoPro is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for capturing breathtaking aerial shots and videos, seamlessly integrating the power of a drone with the superior image quality of a GoPro camera. This powerful combination unlocks a world of creative possibilities, from dynamic action sequences to serene landscape panoramas, making it an ideal tool for both professional filmmakers and passionate hobbyists seeking to elevate their visual storytelling. Number 5. Holystone HS720 GPS Drone. It captures stunning 4K UHD images and videos. The image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even when you're on the move. Never worry about losing it. It has GPS-assisted features like automatic return home and follow me mode, for effortless flight. Enjoy up to 52 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. That's plenty of time to capture all your amazing shots. It's designed for simplicity. One key start-stop, altitude hold, and other features make it easy for beginners to fly. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport and take with you wherever you go. It offers a range of smart flight modes, including path planning and point-of-interest circling. You can focus on your creativity. Control it from up to 3,000 feet away with the 2.4 GHz transmitter. The controller screen shows battery level and GPS signal. What we like. It boasts an impressive 52-minute flight time, thanks to its dual intelligent batteries. The 4K UHD camera with image stabilization ensures stunning footage, even for beginners. If you need a long flight time and reliable GPS features for smooth, stable shots, this is the drone for you. What people say. Packaging and ease of assembly, excellent packaging in the included case, and literally no assembly, it's basically ready to fly out of the box. Flight and battery time, from experience read the manual and always follow the pre-flight steps below before every flight. Camera. The camera works as expected for a drone at this price point, it has nice video still resolution and full motion up and down. Number 4. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning aerial photography. Push your imagination to the limits, it's easier than ever before. Capture impressive 48MP photos and 4K 60 frames per second video with its 1.2-inch CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbal. Experience incredible HDR video and a video transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it safer and more convenient for everyone. It features intuitive shooting functions like Spotlight 2.0, ActiveTrack 3.0, and POI 3.0, making aerial photography a breeze. Keep your subject in focus effortlessly. It's compatible with a wide range of iOS and Android devices. Check the DJI Fly app for a complete list of compatible smartphones and tablets. The package includes the aircraft, remote controller, 3 intelligent flight batteries, propellers, cables, a gimbal protector, charger, and more. Everything you need to get started is included. It records in stunning 4K HD resolution, capturing every detail with exceptional clarity. Experience the next level of video quality. What we like. Capture breathtaking 48MP photos and smooth 4K 60 frames per second videos with its high-performance camera. Its long-range OcuSync 2.0 transmission allows you to fly farther and still get a live feed. If you are a professional videographer or photographer looking for top-tier image quality and extended range, this drone is perfect for you. What people say. The 30+ min flight time and 48MP camera make it amazingly useful for pro or amateur use. The tiny camera on the Mavic Air 2 packs a serious punch. At 48MP the quad Bayer sensor looks great shooting raw 8K photos. With a 48MP camera and 4K video capabilities, it captures stunning, crystal clear images and videos, while the 8K hyperlapse mode lets you create mesmerizing time-lapse. Number 3. Holystone HS720E Drone. This drone meets all FAA requirements. Contact Holystone support for remote ID module assistance. It features a cutting-edge 4K camera with EIS technology and a Sony sensor for incredibly clear videos, exceeding others in its class. Enjoy stable outdoor flights with GPS location, auto return home, and air pressure altitude control. Fly with confidence. With 2 batteries, you get up to 46 minutes of flight time. The included carrying bag makes transport easy. Innovative flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest make capturing amazing shots effortless. Brushless motors provide powerful, stable, and quiet flight, extending the drone's lifespan and minimizing maintenance. What we like. Enjoy an extended 46-minute flight time with 2 batteries and capture incredibly clear videos with its 4K EIS camera. It's also FAA compliant, giving you peace of mind. If you value extended flight time, superior image stabilization, and FAA compliance, this drone is a great choice. What people say. Easy to fly and has been reliable. Seems well built and I have never changed the blades, never crashed either. The Holystone HS720 foldable GPS drone with 4K UHD camera was so easy to set up when I opened the box and even easier to fly. The image quality, stability, zoom and 90-degree downward angle was the best. I found this product easy to learn and it has the camera resolution ideal for my purpose. In learning to use this drone, I had a couple of accidents but the drone survived without damage, indicating that it is well made. Number 2. Holystone HS440 drone. It features a 1080p HD camera adjustable up to 90 degrees. Capture stunning aerial footage with its wide-angle lens, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Explore more of your surroundings with its powerful modular battery. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport. Take it anywhere and explore without limitations. With features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and headless mode, it's simple to fly, even for beginners. Enjoy a streamlined and safe flying experience. It includes intelligent features such as emergency stop and altitude hold, ensuring safe and fun flights. The possibilities are endless. This drone is perfect for beginners and kids alike. Its user-friendly design and long flight time make it ideal for learning and having fun. What we like. This drone features a 1080p camera perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. Its foldable design and long battery life make it easy to transport and use. If you are a beginner looking for a portable and easy-to-use drone with great features, this is a great option. What people say. 2 batteries means long flight times for practice. Durable construction, crashed it several times with no loss of props or anything but scratches. Camera works great. It's not professional quality and not mounted on a gimbal, but you can't expect that at this price point. The remote control does a good job of changing the angle of the camera and it all functions great. Number 1. Holystone HS720G drone. It's FAA compliant, so you can fly with peace of mind. The built-in remote ID ensures safety and compliance, no extra module needed. Capture stunning, smooth 4K video with its 2-axis gimbal. Enjoy breathtaking bird's-eye views without shaky footage. With powerful brushless motors and a long-lasting battery, it provides up to 26 minutes of flight time. Control it from up to 999 meters away. It's designed for ease of use, with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold. Flying has never been simpler. The GPS module and optical flow positioning enhance stability and safety. Enjoy reliable flights, even over longer distances. With features like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, it offers intelligent flight options. Let it do the work while you focus on capturing memories. Emergency stop, smart return to home, and one key return ensure you'll never lose it. Fly with confidence, knowing it will always come back. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it the perfect travel companion. It's lightweight and easy to take anywhere. What we like. This drone offers a 4K EIS camera with a 2-axis gimbal for incredibly smooth and stable footage. The built-in remote ID ensures compliance with FAA regulations. If you want high-quality video, a stable gimbal, and worry-free flight compliance, this is the drone for you. What people say. Drone is very stable in the air, so landing and takeoff is simple. Drone handles well in the air and altitude hold is accurate. Video quality is fantastic. Flight time in low wind condition is around 25 minutes per battery. Follow me and point of interest works well and is a welcome feature. Functionally this drone is very easy to operate. Video quality is good. Comes in a very nice case and easy for the beginner to learn. The auto return home function was extremely nice, especially under these conditions. Both models follow identical flight configurations, so flight control from one model to another is seamless. Very detailed instructions and super responsive drones. This drone is fast and super responsive, stable in moderate winds and survived. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.